Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another video here at STILIZ. Today's video is going to be a little bit different. I'm actually going to be going to K1 Speed with a few friends, and I'm excited because I haven't been there in a while. I've been a few times, but it's been a while. But yeah, I'm excited. The only thing is I forgot to charge my GoPro. Well, actually, I couldn't find my charger, so I didn't get to charge it, and I can't take it. I actually won't be able to film as I'm on the track, but we'll see what I do. Hopefully they have some there that I can rent, or I don't even know if they do that, but we'll see. It's about to be 8 p.m. and we're about to meet up. So yeah, I'll update you guys when I get there, and this should be a lot of fun.
Oh, you don't want to put the thing?
Hey guys, Sam, follow me on Instagram at sam.cfo.
And follow your Instagram, Cecilia.
Just go through my post.
You guys are gonna look like ninjas.
Before, so I have no idea.
Damn.
Is this on right? Is this on? I can't see it. I think I didn't do my hair today. This doesn't fit my huge ass.
Cece's struggling. Yes.
Ready to rock. Okay, hold on. Liz, come over here. We have to make sure Liz qualifies.
Oh man.
She barely made it, guys.
They're haunting me.
This is
Should
a sign,
I get them? I think this is a sign.
Some race seats.
Are they comfy?
They're alright. I could not do a race seat in my car.
Dude, getting in and out is a struggle.
I would do Sportster CSs because they're adjustable, but that's it. I would never do a
Sparkle seats.
But no knock to you if you want to do that.
I just like how they look.
They're sick. Look, it's Mario and Luigi. Now your turn, Liz.
Wait, does this go over your mouth? I'm putting it. I need to breathe. Smash pass.
Smash.
Trying to kill each other until you get a black flag. If you do get one of those, we'll remove you from the racing.
I look like Pinhead Larry.
You look like Patrick Star.
I got first this time.
Much better since my car wasn't slowed down. But there was this kid who wouldn't let me pass even though I was going faster than him. He would not let me pass.
I saw you behind me and I moved to the side.
I
and
know.
I was like,
She's polite.
go Sam,
this kid's
go.
ego was not letting me pass him.
How was it?
It was good, but for some reason, my car was literally like dying. The last 4 laps, even Alex passed me. Alex literally passed me, and I swear he went like this. But like it all happened insane. He passed me like, what the hell's going on?
Like it was
my
going
car
that
was
slow?
literally dead. You could tell how dead my car was, right? You blew past me like I was just turned around and you were like far.
Oh hell no. I know Miss Cece was she was being a safe driver. Let's look at the result. She was putting her blinkers. You probably only did like 6 laps.
No, I did. Those shirts scared
Was that?
What did they say? Oh yeah, it was the big stat.
Ooh, okay, so I'm number 1. Oh shoot, Alex! Alex got number 1.
Girl who would not let me pass, bro.
I got number
And the guy
5.
wasn't
Oh,
You got number 9.
number 9. Yeah, she proud of it. Lizette Anguiano, number 1.
I don't think that's what it says.
It was so much fun.
Who you calling Pinhead?
And half of a car has better wheels than Alex's Supra. Hazuki time!
So you trying to line it up?
Not ready for this engine, listen to this.
I'm dead.
We're at BJ's.
Hi.
Moscow Mule, my favorite drink.
Angry Orchard for the kids.
And look, no, the kids got lemonade.
Cheers to 9th place.
Cheers. What is that?
This is the Hazuki, $4. It's a white chip macadamia nut.
That thing's pretty big.
It's so good. And then
Alex,
was it the avocado egg rolls, right? Fire.
those are fire. Those are my
And this
favorite
sauce?
thing from here.
Oh my god, I could drink it.
I got a regular one. And we got egg rolls.
Yeah.
So we're leaving, guys.
Bye. It's been real.
Yes.
Do it again.
Hell yeah. And it's raining. It's pouring. I gotta run right now. Alrighty guys, so I am officially back home. It is 12:12 right now and I'm super tired. I do have work tomorrow morning, so I'm gonna go to bed right now. Please don't mind my dog eating. She's really loud. Her chewing is loud. I'm sorry. But anyways, it was a lot of fun and I think Sam and Cece really enjoyed it. It was their first time, so they did really good. I got 5th and 6th. But it's fine. I had a lot of fun driving. Unfortunately, they didn't have the little GoPros or the cameras that they offer, so I wasn't able to record my POV, but I hope you guys did enjoy those clips that I included. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video overall. I'll have more content for you guys out very soon. And with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one.